There's them big logs. Mike's cutting them up and getting them out of here. That's some heavy wood there, boy. Man. Yeah, we're still cleaning up. Got a bunch of trees down. The ones that fell, he's cutting them up for me. Stacking them back on his property. So JR's come get them. He's been getting our wood for years. Getting it out of here. And that's some heavy wood. Yeah, he's stacking it up over there on his property. JR will come get it. I saw a 4-point buck right there this morning. I almost put him in the freezer, but my rifle jammed. I guess God didn't want me to send him to the promised land today. Okay, that's it for now. I gotta finish breakfast. I'm eating late. This is the blessed property here. Hallelujah. Got an awning over the front deck. 2 hunter fans. Yeah, them hunter fans, they've been around since the 1800s. Alright, adios.